What's up, 80 Mafia, and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ashley Deshawn, and I'm back at it. And in today's video, I'm basically going to be showing you guys well, basically kind of telling you guys about this hair, giving you guys in detail and in depth so today I'm basically going to be giving you guys a full tutorial review on this beautiful hair, because I did show you guys how I bleached the knots. I showed you guys how I kind of toned the hair and bleached the knots at the same time, as well as straightening it, and I did my baby hair and stuff like that. So I showed you guys that already. So I'm just going to talk about you know, the actual hair itself. As you guys know, I do have in 24 inches of straight hair. I am 5'5", so hair always automatically looks super extremely long on me for some odd reason, you know what I'm saying, because I'm short. But you know, my torso is short as well, so it may look like the hair is longer than what it appears, but it is true to length. Another thing I can say is that the hair is extremely soft. It's something that I feel like I can wear in any weather. I did notice that this hair did get a bit wavy when I would go outside and stuff like that. I stated, you know, my last videos, I stay in Florida, so it's always humid. There's something always kind of going on with the weather here, and since it's the summer, it rains a lot, so I have to put extra oils on my hair. I have to constantly have a flat iron on deck or something like that, because I just never know when my hair is gonna just pump back up, and it did that today. So I have to kind of fix that and make sure that I was okay, you know what I'm saying, because sometimes I like to wear hats. So yeah, but what I can say is that the hair is holding up extremely well. As you guys can see, the hair is very thick. There's nothing thin about this hair at all. I feel like when you get full lace wigs, sometimes they like to thin out a little bit, you know, because the hair is kind of it's what is it called, it's strand by strand or something like that. So when I saw it, and I think you guys are gonna also see this as well in my other video, the hair actually came as a 13 by 6. So it's it starts from right here and it ends in the middle of your head, the part does. And that's something that I like, because I like to be able to part my hair all the way back. I hate those short parts, because it's I already have a long head, and I don't want to wear hair that makes me look like I'm, you know, looking like a Mookie or something. I'm looking you know what I'm saying, a long jaw silver or something like that, you know what I'm saying. I just made that up in my head. But yeah, so I don't find that the lace was a problem, thank God, because most companies or certain people do not like to they don't really like to give or basically allow other people to wear their 13 by 6. So I was kind of excited, because I was like, wow, a little old me. Let me stop. But yeah, the texture is really cool. Since the hair does wave up, I'm pretty sure, because I did wash this hair, because I had to wash it when I took the bleach out, the hair does wave up a little bit, and that's something that I like, because if I'm going to the pool and I put my hair in a ponytail, I would like for it to have a little bit of a wave pattern, because I don't want it to look chopped and screwed or too messed up or kind of funky looking, you know what I'm saying. So I actually I don't know, I just really like that, you know, if I get straight hair or something, it's very, you know, versatile, you know what I'm saying, because most hair isn't, and that's sort of a problem sometimes. So yeah, let's talk about the ends. Usually I cut my ends, but on this one I kind of just sheared it just a little bit. As you guys can tell, the ends of this hair is very healthy. It's very flowy. Look at that, it's extremely flowy. A lot of people always like to say oh, you can tell good hair from bad hair if you look at the ends of the hair, and as you guys can see, it's really beautiful. I just don't like the fact that I can't get this hair to be bone straight. I can get it straight, but I can't get it bone straight. And I actually tried a silk press flat iron, and I tried a titanium flat iron, like I said in my last video, and I kind of didn't like it. So I was like, dang, I really wanted my hair to be bone straight, because I really like to let it flow in the wind. you know, be on my arrogant my Alonzo Arnold, but it's like, dang, I can't even do that. Like, I don't know if it's because like maybe I'm not using the right oils, or maybe I'm not using the right products, or what. I don't know what it is. So comment down below and help your girl out, because I really don't know. But yeah, I just feel like this hair is amazing. I don't know if you guys can see how like short I am, but the hair kind of stops like mid-waist or whatever, and I like that because I hate when hair is like stuck in my butt, or like if I sit down I'm sitting on my hair, or if I'm like laying somewhere and somebody like yanks my hair. I just hate that, you know, because I already wear long hair and I always wear long hair. So yeah. And then also, can you dye it? Yes, you can dye it, but like I always say, go to a professional. Or if you don't, there are some YouTubers out here that actually do know how to dye their hair, or bleach their hair, or whatever you want to call it. They know how to do it. They specialize in it. They know how to make the box dye with the regular dye, like the little what is it called, the little toners and stuff. I don't know how these girls be doing that stuff, but yeah, they be doing it, and I love it so much. And I think that I want to start like dyeing my hair more and coming on here with colors, because I really don't wear colors. I'm scared of color. I don't know why I am, but I just am. I'm very frightened of colors. Like, that sounds pretty crazy, but I just am, because I mean what's that? Like, my face, I just feel like I'm already doing too much, like with my eyes and stuff, and then just putting colored hair just gonna make me look scary. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm just gonna keep thinking about it, you know, keep, you know, chatting to myself about it and see like what, you know, what I really want to do. The customer service of this company was amazing. They are very patient. They don't catch attitudes like most people. Like, if you have a problem, or if you're like trying to track your order, or if you, I don't know, if the process is taking too long, they're not going to get on your nerves. They're not going to sit there and make you feel like you're little. Like, they're going to sit there and take their time. They're going to email back very fast and very promptly, and that's something that I really do enjoy, and I really do like, because I love when companies care about their customers, because it's like, dang, like, we the reason why you're you. So like, you know what I'm saying, show me some love. But yeah, and then the shipping only took like, I think it took like 3 or 4 business days, and I was actually having to rush them because I was leaving, going out of state, so I kind of had to hurry up and get my hair. So yeah, and here it is on my head. Okay, cute. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys so much for supporting me and keeping up with everything that I do. You guys click into everything that I post, and I love you for that. You guys are my day ones. I swear to God, like, one day when I become like this big YouTuber, and I'm probably gonna hit like 10 million, like, yeah, Ashley Deshawn, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna always remember those same people that clicked on videos like this, because it's like, you just supported everything that I did, you know what I'm saying, and I really do appreciate that. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.